Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by anchoring fundamentals, posture, breath, and a brief baseline recording so you track change. Stand or sit tall, relax your jaw, and inhale into your belly. This creates stable support. Once done, warm the voice with 5 minutes of humming, lip trills, and descending slides. These lower tension and encourage chest resonance. Make sure to do 3 short sets a day and label recordings by date so you can compare pitch and resonance over time. Now you build lower pitch without strain. Begin with strophination for 5 to 10 minutes to balance airflow and reduce vocal fold collision. This protects the voice while you work lower. Transition to chest-focused resonance. Aim for vibration felt in the sternum rather than tightness in the throat, because resonance shifts perceived masculinity more than raw pitch. Then practice controlled glides down 3 to 5 semitones, holding steady vowels for a few seconds. Repeat in short, varied bursts to avoid fatigue. Finish by integrating changes into connected speech. Read aloud for 5 minutes using chest placement and a natural conversational pace so the new patterns generalize. After practice, hydrate, humidify your environment, and take vocal naps if you feel tired. If you experience hoarseness, persistent strain, or pain, stop immediately, reduce intensity, and return to gentle straw work. If problems persist beyond a few days, consult a speech-language pathologist to assess technique and prevent injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.